Hello and welcome to Flower Joos. My name's John McDonald and today I'm going to show you a really simple arrangement that features just carnations, these beautiful Vanda orchids and a little piece of greenery. So we've got a little bit of French or Italian ruskus here. But what I've got is I've got this beautiful container. Now you might have seen this in one of our other designs, but this is like a kind of fan-shaped container. It's very narrow, so it kind of leaves you with the problem of, do you want to put foam in there or do you want to just use water? So what I've got is I've just got water in our actual vase, and what we're going to do is use the narrowness of that vase to help hold the flowers. So really what we're going to do is we're going to add our carnations to basically sit on the corner of this or onto the edge of the vase. So these carnations are a beautiful colour. There's lots of different colours you can get now. Carnations went through a little bit of a tricky time where they weren't seen as fashionable, but the growers really came back with creating some brilliant colours like vivid greens, the lilacs and the purples, and really they've done a great job, and the carnations now are just perfect for creating some stunning designs. So I really like this colour with this black pot. So we've added our carnations and they're just sitting perfectly. And I want to use our Vanda. Now I'm just going to keep the Vanda in its little file, so that way I know it's getting water. And because this is quite a big bulky vase, I'm going to use a couple of aspidistra just to create a little bit of extra dominance here. So we're looking for things that are a bit powerful because this is visually quite powerful. And that is it. It's as simple as that. A simple modern arrangement making full use of this vase, but really just featuring some carnations and an orchid. But we've created something that's visually effective and quite large. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to subscribe to keep up to date with all our videos, then click here.